Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? Today we're going over the 14-ounce Yellowstone Rips Ranch Hand Beef and Cheese Pasta Bake that costs $5.94. Rips Ranch Hand Beef and Cheese Pasta Bake consists of freshly made cavatappi pasta with a zesty beef tomato sauce and topped with cheddar cheese. This looks like it's going to be one of my kind of dishes, almost like a baked beefaroni / goulash dish. Here's a list of ingredients, and once again with the redundancy of the active ingredient name. Other than that, the ingredient list looks pretty darn good. There's really not any garbage in it. Now see, here's what doesn't make any sense. On yesterday's video, we did the Dutton family meatloaf and cheddar mash meal, which weighed in at 13.5 ounces and was broken down into 2 servings. Rips Ranch Hand Beef and Cheese Pasta Bake weighs in at 14 ounces and is only 1 serving. Who knows? Maybe they did 2 servings because there was 2 slices of meatloaf in the meal. So Rips Beef and Cheese Pasta Bake has 1 serving, which has 770 calories, 33 grams of total fat, 17 grams of saturated fat, a half a gram of trans fat, 90 milligrams of cholesterol, 1,290 milligrams of sodium, 81 grams of carbohydrates, 6 grams of fiber, 9 grams of sugars, and 37 grams of protein. So here's Rips Ranch Hand Beef and Cheese Pasta Bake right out of the freezer and right out of the box. And now it goes into the microwave for a total of 6 minutes. Now here's Rips Ranch Hand Beef and Cheese Pasta Bake after microwaving on high for a total of 6 minutes and resting for 1 minute. So we scooped up a big old spoonful, and that actually looks delicious, and it smells delicious. So into my old pie hole and down the gullet it went. Wow, and Rips Ranch Hand Beef and Cheese Pasta Make is ripping. Rip it good. The cavatappi pasta is cooked perfectly. The dish is beefy, it's saucy, it's cheesy, and it has a good prominent black pepper spicy flavor to it, but not too spicy. And most of all, it's delicious. So far, the first 2 Yellowstone frozen dinners I've tried are pretty darn good, even though I did not like the barbecue sauce on the meatloaf meal. Now, even though the Yellowstone frozen dinners are exclusively sold at Walmart, don't be confused with the lackluster frozen dinners from the Food Network stars that were also exclusively sold at Walmart. Because so far, with the 2 frozen Yellowstone meals that I've tried, the quality, freshness, and deliciousness are like night and day compared to the frozen dinners from the Food Network stars. They also cost the same, but the Yellowstone meals are bigger. So I'm giving the Yellowstone Rips Ranch Hand Beef and Cheese Pasta Bake an 8 out of 10. So make sure you stay tuned, because tomorrow we're going to continue trying the Yellowstone meals with the Yellowstone Jimmy's Cowboy Chili with Beans. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss an episode. Thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.